Hey guys, this is Scarface95 here. I'm reviewing a metal license plate frame. This is to rep your NCAA school. They have a whole list of different schools on their website. They all range about $13 to at maximum $20 on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. So I've been looking through a good few of these kinds of collegiate license plate frames, and I found I really like this one is that it not only has the mascot on it, it also has a very thin strip at the top. That way it won't cover up your state's license plate name, and that is actually illegal to cover it up in some states. And here on the packaging or somewhere on the frame, you should find some sticker like this. This is just to represent that it is officially licensed by the school, so that the mascot picture logo is all accurate. It's made out of an alloy of steel and chrome plated so that it can resist corrosion, which is definitely very important since this will be out in the weather and elements all the time. And then taking it out of its packaging, the first thing I noticed is that the stickers are just pretty much just laminated and they're not domed in any way, such as this one that I have here, which I'll be replacing this one once I graduate. And then another thing is that it only has 2 perforations to mount it on 2 screws, so it won't be able to have a 4-way support system if you really wanted that. But I think it's sturdy enough and it doesn't really have that much flex that you should really worry about needing 2 extra screws on the bottom. And then mounting it to the back of my car is very straightforward. It's just a matter of having the right tools to remove the bolts or screws, whatever you have that have your existing license plate attached to your car. And then the hose I found lined up perfectly, so mounting it was a breeze. Once it's securely mounted on the car, it looks really nice. I really like the chrome finish and the fact that at least the color stickers stand out very nicely against the chrome. It's a very nice, attractive frame in my opinion. The letters on the bottom and the logo is pretty visible at a good distance. I would say maybe at least 20 feet. And the top part where it probably says your university name isn't as visible because they have to make it smaller to fit in that thin strip, but that's not really a big deal for me. I do like that because of the size that it doesn't block, again, the state name on your license plate. But actually I filmed this part of the review almost half a year prior. The reason for that is because I wanted to see how it would hold up in winter weather and also in the summer months and see how it would stick up to grime, whether it would corrode or anything like that. And so now that I'm replacing this frame with my alumni frame, now that I have graduated, woohoo, I can see that there's only a very bit of surface rust, and that's not even from the frame itself, it's actually from the bolts. So that's really great. The sturdiness is still there and it's really easy to clean. That any kind of dirt that got on there, just wipe it down. So for $13, I think these are a steal, especially since they're metal, they're sturdy, and it's a really easy way to personalize your car in a really clean manner. I think bumper stickers sometimes can be a mess, but with a license plate frame, it's really easy to remove it, switch it out when you want to. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Scarface95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Scarface95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Scarface95. Thanks for watching.